How to use Midjourney for amazing AI artwork in seconds. Let me show you how to use this free program. By now I'm sure you've heard of ChatGPT creating scripts and code and a bunch of other things, but now you can have artwork created by AI for free in seconds. It's super easy and super fast. Watch to the end to see how you can use this. Step 1. Go to Google and search Midjourney, or you can just go to midjourney.com. Once you're there, click Join the Beta. So to join the beta, you're going to have to create a Discord. If you have one already, just log in. If you don't, create one. It's fast and easy. Once you created one, tap Sign In. Then accept the invite. Step 2. Once accepted, it'll take you to their homepage. You can scroll down and see all the amazing things. And wait till the end because I'll show you how to save these even if you didn't create it. Finally, step 3. Once you're logged in, go to the left side and you'll see newbie channels. Click any of them, they're all the same, and you're going to type in the prompt Imagine. Type in /imagine and then click the Imagine prompt button and type anything you want. Think about what kind of picture you want and type it in. For example, 3D colorful bright how to use Midjourney. Press enter and you'll see it populate in the chat like this. Now just wait about 60 seconds and you'll have 4 pictures you can choose from. One tip is while you're waiting, stay at the bottom, it'll populate there. Once you have your 4 pictures, you can check them out. See if you like any of the 4. You can either adjust what you typed in and retype a new prompt in, or you can choose one of these 2 things. You can upscale it or make it full size, either 1, 2, 3, or 4, or get new versions of 1, 2, 3, or 4. Now it's time to save your image. And don't worry, it's still free. Just go back to midjourney.com and sign in. It'll ask you to authorize your Discord, just press yes. Once you do, it'll take you to your Midjourney homepage. These are all the things you searched and typed into that Discord. Now to save them, you just click on it, click the 3 buttons, and click download. It's a little different on a PC, but it's basically the same. Now you can save the image and have it anywhere you want. So now you got your picture, but you're going to need a little more, right? Check out this video how I explain how to use ChatGPT. It's all free and easy with AI.